Alright, today what we're going to be doing is trying out the JF Haden's Mango Liqueur. It's a brand new one on the market. It's absolutely delicious, and we're going to be making the Tropical Fuzzy Fizzy today. So of course what we got to do is the glass, ice, bartending equipment, JF Haden's of course, some peach juice, and Prosecco to top it off. So what we're going to do is take our shaker, add 1 ounce of peach juice, 1 ounce of JF Haden's Mango Liqueur, add your ice. Let them become friends. And then top off with some bubbly. Happy quarantine. Delicious.